Is EQ Bank really worth your money? Let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about where you put your money. You've probably heard the term high-interest savings account thrown around a lot lately. Maybe you're tempted, but you're not sure if it's all hype. And if it's not hype, is EQ Bank the right place for your cash? Look, I get it. Banking can be boring. It's like choosing between kale and spinach. It's green, it's healthy, but it's not exactly exciting. But your money is important, and where you park it can seriously impact your financial future. So, let's cut through the jargon and figure out if EQ Bank is actually worth your hard-earned cash. First things first, what is EQ Bank? It's a digital bank, which means you don't have to deal with pesky branches or tellers. It's all online, baby. They've been making waves with their high-interest savings accounts, promising to help your money grow faster than a chia pet. But is it too good to be true? Let's talk interest rates. Interest rates are like the fuel to your financial engine. The higher the interest rate, the faster your money grows. EQ Bank has been offering some pretty competitive rates compared to traditional banks. But don't get too excited just yet. While their rates might be higher, there are other factors to consider. Let's talk features. Sure, interest rates are sexy, but what else does EQ Bank offer? Do they have the features you need? Can you easily transfer money, pay bills, and check your balance? How about customer service? Is it easy to get in touch with someone if you have a problem? These are all important questions to consider. And let's talk fees. Everyone loves to avoid fees. EQ Bank claims to be fee-free, but is that really true? Are there any hidden fees lurking in the fine print? Because let's face it, nothing is ever really free. Now, let's talk about security. Your money is important, and you want to make sure it's safe. EQ Bank is regulated by the Canadian Deposit Insurance Corporation, CDIC, which means your deposits are insured up to $100,000. But is that enough? What other security measures do they have in place? Let's talk user experience. A bank is like a relationship. You want it to be easy, convenient, and satisfying. Is the EQ Bank app user-friendly? Can you easily navigate the website? Is the overall experience enjoyable? Because let's be honest, if you're not enjoying it, you're probably not going to stick with it. So, is EQ Bank a good bank? Well, it depends. It depends on your individual needs and priorities. If you're looking for a high-interest savings account with no fees and a decent user experience, EQ Bank might be a good option. But if you need a physical branch or a wide range of financial products, you might want to look elsewhere. The bottom line is, you need to do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. Compare EQ Bank to other banks and see what works best for you. And remember, your financial situation is unique, so what's right for one person might not be right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.